Welcome to the Youth Lab. Today we are going to be playing a game called The Internet Names Animals. But before we do that, let's introduce our contestants slash victims. From left to right, we've got Wrigley from
Oswego High School.
Oswego High School. Then we got Brady Kotler from
Mattia Valley High School.
Mattia Valley High. And then we've got Levi, who just graduated early from
Waubonsie Valley High School.
Man, I love Levi!
He's a grown-up now. And then last we've got Blake, who, where you go to school, Blake?
Plainfield South High School.
I thought,
Love you, Blake!
Anyways, today we're playing a game called The Internet Names Animals because turns out the internet names animals in the weirdest ways. Like a snake is not a snake. It's called a
Danger
noodle. Or a danger noodle. Yeah, they're just jumping into it already. So here's how we're gonna play. I'm gonna throw up a nickname the internet has given a common animal. You can write your answer down. I'll give you 10 seconds to do a first answer. And if no one gets it on the first answer, you get one more shot to get it right. Sound good? The winner gets a prize out of our treasure chest. And the loser has to eat a cricket. Round one, here we go. Your first one is beach chicken. Beach chicken. You have 10 seconds to get me an answer. Beach chicken. Brady and Blake are the only ones that got it correct. It is a seagull. All right. The next one is majestic sea flap flap. Majestic sea flap flap. It is a stingray. So I'll let you have it. So you three got it. So far, Brady is in the lead. The next is cow bear. A cow bear. Cow bear. And 3, 2, 1. It is a panda. Brady is still in the lead, but Wrigley and Blake are closing in. All right, the next is this. It's a snappy face danger rock. Snappy face danger rock. Snappy face danger rock. In 3, 2, 1. All right, yeah, you guys got it. Snapping turtle. All right, the next is a thieving MCSQUEEK cheeks. Thieving MCSQUEEK cheeks. And 3, 2, 1. It's a squirrel.
Yeah, he's like fox.
All right, now we're getting into the expert level round. Here we go. Auto-activated forced frisbee. Auto-activated forced frisbee.
Yeah, dude.
And 3, 2, 1.
You get it? Airplane?
Blake and Wrigley got it. It is a flying squirrel.
Dude, Wrigley's gonna win this one, I'm guaranteeing.
All right, the next one is Kitty McSpotty fur. Kitty McSpotty fur. Now, you must get this correct. The answer is in 3, 2, 1, leopard. Blake got it. So, frenzied underwater biting machine. Frenzied underwater biting machine. And
Not even just
3.
It's a great one.
It is a shark. Oh, Brady pulls ahead.
What do you say?
Here we go. This is the final round. This is worth 2 points. Here we go. South American blenderfish. South American blenderfish.
Don't look at him.
South
No,
American
cheater.
blenderfish.
Back again?
You are incorrect, sir. South American blenderfish. What fish is in the South Americas that is like a blender?
I don't know if I spelled that
What
right.
does that say?
Piranha.
Yeah, you got it.
What in the Lord's name? No, I got it first. Wait.
Wait, what? Who got it first?
Piranha.
What does it smell?
Wrigley's going first. Here we go. How's it?
It doesn't taste that bad.
Okay. How is it? Oh, he's going for another one.
I mean, as the original battle, we have to go.
Oh!
You guys are nasty.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to go down in the description and comment and click that like video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come Tuesdays from 5 to 7 p.m. It's pretty good. Brady! Say that? Who cares?
Grant them the love, Jesus.
Exactly.